Hello traders, welcome to Trade Forex with Gabe. My name is Gabriel Ojimadu, and this is the weekly Forex Forecast, where we'll be looking at market setups for August 21st through to August the 25th. As always, we'd like to check out what the economic calendar is saying for the week. And from the calendar we use, pretty much we're having a pretty clear week, not until Wednesday when we'll begin to see the fireworks when the PMI data begin to flood the market. This will affect Euro, GBP pairs, and United States dollar, but I don't believe this is going to change much in the trajectory on what the technical structures are saying. Then we have on Thursday and again on Friday, but this will just create some midterm temporal volatility. But as I said, I don't believe it will change much of our outlook for the week. From the currency strength outlook, we see that Swiss franc is still retaining strength, GBP strength, USD still gaining some strength, and then Euro. And we see Japanese yen losing and NZD still falling to the negative side, and Bitcoin making it down to negative 3.4. But let's make a sense of this by making the comparative analysis. So you see here, Swiss franc is still gaining more strength. We see GBP moving from 1.3 to 2.9. USD maintained from 1.8, it went to 2.5, and Euro 1.4 to 1.9. So these are really strong, and they are coming up top on my list as biggest positive net change. Then on the negative side, we will be pairing these up to the weakest ones, and then coming up with our data for the week. And this is our analysis for the week, which is USD pairs. USD pairs making it. I'll be looking to go long on USD JPY, USD CAD long, NZD USD, AUD USD short, and on GBP pairs, I'm looking to buy GBP NZD, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, GBP CAD. Now, this is a reverse video. The last video that was released over the weekend, we had a little bit of a mix-up on the currency strength outlook. So we were able to track that mistake, and that this is the reversed version of the weekly Forex Focus. So stay with me, and I'll walk you through all of this analysis again. So CHF pairs, NZD, CHF, AUD, CHF, and then CHF JPY looking to go long on it. So let's look at what the charts are saying exactly. Starting with the USD pairs, we'll start with USD JPY, and oh wow, we already have that breakout. So on the weekly chart, H4 chart, all right, we're looking to go long again. We had that correction, and you can see exactly where we had the retest. Look at that nice retest here. Okay, so I'm looking for price to make it back up. And if you go down to the H1, we already have that breakout. See the momentum breakout. If you're using this one, we already had the breakout. If you're using last week's high, we already had that breakout, and I think we're already seeing the retest. So I expect price to make a rally to the upside towards this last high, which is about 45 pips, and further up, we'll make it 72 pips to 146.56 level. So that's USD JPY. Next on the list, I given you the levels, all right? So you can try to remake this on your chart, and you'll see how the trade plays out for the week. Next is USD CAD. On USD CAD, this trade, we started trading it last week, if you recall, and our profit target was towards 1.3652 level. Already, we had an extensive rally last week. So I told my people, everyone still connected to this chart, let's expect price to make some correction. We already see that correction coming in or to 38 level. Probably it could descend to up to 50 level before we start having the next push up. So USD CAD, it's a buy for me. Now look at it on the bigger time frame. So we had that double bottom, we have the breakout. So I expect price to take out the last high at 1.3652. So this is what informed the reason for this trade. So let's see that pushback, that pullback, and then we start making a new rally. So before the new rally will begin, we should be able to see some breakout from these levels. Okay, we'll keep you updated on that. Then we'll be looking to go short on NZD USD. So let me get it out here. NZD USD, there you are. On NZD USD, we've been trading this particular setup for the last 3 weeks, and we've been selling on it. So going into the week again, I'm looking to go short. So if you notice, last week we failed to take out our profit target, which is about less than 3 pips or so. And this week, I hope it will we will be able to take out this level. So NZD USD is still a short for me, structured to the downside. And I'm looking for price to take out 0.5900, which is psychological level. Once we're able to break below this part, my next profit target will be towards the 0.5836 level. Okay. And last on the list for USD pairs is AUD USD. AUD USD, AUD USD, just a moment. Looking for it now. AUD USD, there you are. AUD USD, again, I'm looking to go short on this towards our target of 0.6270. But I told my followers, wait for this retracement, because for the last 2 weeks, you see, we've been selling off, all right? So price should get some breather, and that's why I'm expecting some retracement towards the 38 to 50 fib levels. Who knows? Maybe it could extend to 61.8 level, but all the same, I would like you to wait for that little bit of a retracement before we begin to see new sell-offs again. All right. So let's look at the bigger picture on this. So on the bigger picture, you can see we're looking to trade this double top pattern towards the next support, last support level, which is at the 0.6270 level. Already we had some massive sell-off. You see that nice sell-off. Okay, for how many days? About 8 days. We had consistent sell-off. Okay, so let's expect that a bit of a correction on this market before we begin to see new sell-offs again towards taking off the last low. If we're able to take off that low, then you see the next low will be around this point. All right, so we have all of that in check, but let's take it nice and slow. Next, that's it for USD pairs. So let's move on to GBP pairs. GBP, we're looking at the first pair, which is GBP NZD. On GBP NZD, let me take you from H4. So on H4 charts, we've already, this was a fantastic trade from last week, guys. If you recall, we took out all our profit targets around this level. I've already taken that out during the course of this analysis. So into the future, which is this week, I'm looking for more buy setups. But then I would like to see a breakout, because it's just not about it's not about you just jumping into the market. I like to see a clear point of re-entry. So my first point setup will be to see price break above this consolidation we're already seeing here. So once the price breaks above it, I would like to re-enter this trade towards the next key point or resistance at 2.1684 level. So after the much rally we have from last week, I wouldn't just want to be caught up jumping in and we see price make that retracement. No, if we see that breakout from this consolidation, then fine, but I won't be looking to sell even if we have a break below the boundary, the lower boundary of this channel. So I won't be looking to sell on this pair. GBP JPY, fantastic setup. Whoa, we're already having that push up. Whoa. All right, so guys, look at this. We had this channel price trading above. And if you look closely, when it got to the lower boundary, we see this nice consolidation. Now we're already seeing the breakout. So this was done over the weekend. Yes, I saw this part, but previously we're looking at it breaking to the low side. But when I rechecked the data, I saw that no, GBP wasn't weak at all. GBP was really strong. So I had to change it, and I had to make this video again so that you guys can make that correction on your chart. So, but good enough. I told us we will expect this breakout. This breakout has already happened. We're looking to take out the last high at 186.44 level. GBP AUD, another interesting pair. So on this, I'm looking to buy on this pair. So looking to break to the upside. So if you look at it, we're having something looking like a flag or a pennant. So I'll be looking to buy this pair, nothing about selling. But if you're looking to be on a clear path, take out your fib ratio levels. And if we see any retracement towards 50-61 level, it would be another interesting place to take a long trade towards 2.0110 level. And last on GBP pairs is GBP CAD. On GBP CAD, we also traded this last week. So we saw the break from this level. And after making some rally, because our profit target was 1.7330 level, but price didn't make it to that level. And right now, after this fantastic rally, I expect some correction. Already we see that correction playing out. So if it falls into this zone, 38.2 or 50.0 fib level, this would be a nice place to go long again towards achieving last week's target. This was last week's target. So 1.7330. But if we're able to make it down here, I think to be conservative, try to reduce your take profit level to the last high, okay, which is 1.7280 level. And now let's go to Swiss franc pairs. Swiss franc, we're looking at trading New Zealand Swiss franc. So let's get it out. NZD Swiss franc. NZD Swiss franc, we're looking to go short on this pair. And last week, this was our target. We didn't make it last week. So I expect it to be taken out this week. This was last week's high. So even if we have a correction, I don't believe price should break above this last high. And we'll take out our profit target, which started from last week, okay? So which is 0.5167 level. And then we have Australian dollar Swiss franc. Australian dollar Swiss franc, just a moment, let's get it out. AUD Swiss franc, there you are. And this was last week's trade. We took out all of our targets. So let me just take this all out. We were able to make it last week. So so into this week, I'm looking for more sell to the downside, more sell to the downside, and that is for price to take out 0.55562 level. I wouldn't just want to jump right in because we saw how market sold off on that trade. So what I would like to do is to get some level of confirmations, which is price breaking below this channel, and that will give me a confident entry, okay, towards this next low, 0.55562 level. And last on the list for today is Swiss franc JPY. Swiss franc JPY. We're almost there already. So this is it. So price is expected to take out the last high. Wow, already there. So this is just barely 37 pips to go. And that will be it. But, well, don't try to chase a moving bus. This is Forex. Once you miss it, just take a chill pill and wait for another bus to come. That is another setup. All right, traders, apologies for that mix-up we had in the earlier video. I've made the corrections. So this is my final take on the market, and this is still Monday. So you still have lots of opportunities to trade other setups that have not approached their profit level. Okay, until the market review, stay well, plan your trades with good risks to reward ratios and risk management. Thank you for taking our time to watch this. Have a great trading week ahead. Bye-bye.